The DocuSign ID verification for EU qualified signature helps you comply with the qualified e-signature requirements outlined in the European Union and United Kingdom's eIDAS regulations. A qualified e-signature requires a face-to-face or equivalent form of identification. This identification is integrated into the signing process and managed by DocuSign. To send an envelope with DocuSign ID verification for EU qualified, add your documents and recipients. Then, click Customize, add Identity Verification, and select DocuSign ID Verification for EU Qualified from the drop-down menu. Then, continue preparing your envelope as usual and send it for signature. To sign an envelope with DocuSign ID Verification for EU Qualified, recipients open the link in their notification. They enter their phone number and open the link on their phone to verify their identity. They select their country of residence, choose their ID document type and issuing country, and grant their consent. Then, they follow the prompts to take pictures of their ID document. Finally, they record a selfie video and engage in guided movements to prove that they are physically present. The recipient's identity is then verified synchronously by a certified human agent. This includes reviewing the ID document and selfie recording, verifying that the ID document is valid and authentic, and that the recipient's name matches the name on the ID. This process typically takes a few minutes. Once their identity has been verified, recipients can create an identity wallet for QES to securely save their identity verification details and simplify the verification process for future agreements. Recipients can then review and sign their documents. Finally, to finish signing, recipients enter the code sent to their phone, accept the qualified e-signature terms, and click Sign.